What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Taking a look here at Casper cryptocurrency. It is the 3rd of September. It's been a while since we took a look at Casper. Taking a look here, market's currently down 0.84%. We'll take a look at Bitcoin towards the end of this video. Share a couple thoughts here on Casper. What's going on here in these quiet and some would call boring markets, but that's how these markets are most of the time. They are not in a crazy bull run. Most of the time they are chopping around down to sideways before they go on their big runs. So guys, let's take a look, take a zoom in here to the chart. Welcome to the channel. Get the correct arrow tool here. So we have broken below this, what I call this neckline here. Been chopping around it for a while. Had a big break, which came in yesterday, September 2nd. We actually pulled down to a pretty critical zone here at the 326 level. 326 is a very nice level to see the price bounce off of, and so far that low is holding. We have flipped this neckline into resistance, which was the 3rd, which is today. So this current candle is tomorrow's candle, the 4th. So on the 3rd's candle, we have flipped that into resistance. This candle that took place on the 2nd looks like it's probably going to be the bottom for a while. I think we could see something like, let's see here, potentially something like this take place before maybe rolling over once again. That's just a thought of mine. We'll have to see what happened. And yeah, hang in there. Real quick, before we jump back into these charts, guys, take a look over here at Google Trends, cryptocurrency. So I've been seeing this around on some different accounts and Twitter, or X as it's known as now. Cryptocurrency is at historic lows on the Google Trends. So this is the time, okay? It's not my opinion. It's not financial advice. When these trends, these searches are way up here, they essentially follow the market. Those are the historic, those are the tops, guys. And if you're getting in at these super low prices, this is when the big money and the smart money is slowly accumulating and they are distributing at the tops. So take that for what it is. We could have many months ahead here where these markets basically do nothing. So I know many people probably haven't made it this far along anyways. This is a very long and essentially boring market we're in here. But those of you that stick it out will probably be rewarded quite well. So take that for what it is. Some lower price targets here for Casper. Now, some of these are much lower, and I'm not saying the markets will get down there by any means unless shit hits the fan. Who knows, right? So we have a 310 down in here. That's below our 326. We have a 178.0178, and then we have one way down here. Way down here at the 0.0039 level. Things got to get really bad in these markets, or we need a major flash crash. We're going to see something like that. I don't really see that happening, but I can't ignore what the prices are saying, and they do indicate something way down there. But like I said, I don't really see that happening. If that happens, we're going to have some major problems across the board, especially with Bitcoin. If we see altcoins get down to prices like that. So really not too much going on here, guys. I know it's been a while, but there's really not too much going on here with these markets. They're pretty boring. It's a great time to be accumulating if you're looking to get into, certain projects that you believe will do really well in the next bull cycle, which I believe Casper, XLM, XDC, XRP, etc. will do very, very well. But overall, we're just in a choppy market here. And that is that. Like I said, we were below this neckline, found some nice support at a new level. I just put on the chart, which is at 326. There's a chance that we rally up a little bit and then roll over again, maybe back test 326. But for right now, that looks like it's going to be the bottom and hold for some time. And of course, any upside surprises are welcome. Got some upper targets up here at 437, 454. That would put the price here, let's see, 23 to 28% higher for Casper. Bitcoin wiped out its gains recently when the grayscale news came out. Of course it did. And we are back here right at that 26-23 level, 25-760, a couple support lines there. Question is, does this fail and do we start to break lower, heading us down to 24-145, 21-070? Hey, there's a chance that could happen. So just keep an open mind. 24-145, 72 could be in play here. That would be another major low. That would take us below the lows over here on the 15th of June. So guys, we'll see what happens here. But like I said, there's not too much going on besides that grayscale news and some typical market volatility. Casper has been very, very quiet and basically just following what the overall market does. So not too much going on here. Keep an eye on the price levels I share on my chart. And, thanks for joining us here. We'll be back with some more videos. All right, guys, take care.